Hi, I'm Matt Fargo. I'm a CPA, and I'm also one of the founding partners of Kurtz Fargo, an accounting firm based here in Boulder.
Well, I'm not a CPA, but I am excited to be standing in front of you to talk to you about the future of income taxes. Filing income taxes should not be a game, and yet every year, millions of Americans spend April 15th playing a twisted game, a Wheel of Fortune. They put their entire lives on hold. They fire up some tax software or head down to their accountant's office, and then they cross their fingers, hoping that they don't owe the IRS thousands of dollars. It turns out it's really easy to have a bad April. Luckily, I'm here to tell you there's a much better way. My name is Benny Joseph. I'm the CEO and co-founder of GoodApril. GoodApril eliminates April tax surprises and helps you find ways to pay less to the IRS. Today, you do not take control of your income taxes. Think about it. You would notice if your cable bill was even $10 higher this month. You call up Comcast and you give them hell. But for some reason, when it comes to our income taxes, we're totally okay with the tax bill that's hundreds or even thousands of dollars different than your expectations. This is absolutely insane. And what's worse is that we're not making the right financial decisions to pay the least amount of taxes. Every year, Americans leave over $22 billion of tax savings on the table. That's your money. Now, to put that money back into your pocket, you need to engage in tax planning the other 11 months of the year. The problem is, few of us have the knowledge, the time, or the patience to do this. That's where GoodApril comes in. We make tax planning effortless. GoodApril connects to your financial accounts, like your bank, your brokerage, and your payroll provider, to provide you your real-time tax forecast. It's like a running tax bill, so that you know where you stand the entire year. Let's take a look at the dashboard of one of our customers, Rob. Rob is on track to owe nearly $3,000 this April. That's not cool. But what is cool is that GoodApril can take Rob's data and help him identify tax savings opportunities as they arise throughout the year, so that Rob can take action today to pay less come tax day. For instance, here GoodApril has identified that Rob can sell his losses in his investment portfolio and save $900. Rob's biggest problem is that he's not withholding enough taxes from his paycheck. GoodApril can help Rob make adjustments to his allowances and see how that affects his take-home pay and his tax bill. And with a click of a button, Rob can download a form to take to his HR department the next day so that these changes can be reflected in his next paycheck. It's that simple. Tax planning is just the beginning. In the future, we'll be able to take all the data that we've collected from Rob and pre-populate a tax return for him, enabling him to file his taxes in just minutes, not days. Now, to pull this off, we put together a kick-ass team. My co-founder, Mitch Fox, and I have been working together for over 3 years and collectively have over 10 years of financial technology experience. I'm an ex-E-Trade engineer, and he's a former Bain consultant. Graham Hunter is a former H&R Block tax pro and is a marketing ninja. We know how to build products that people love and use every day. In fact, we're the team behind Zeco Mobile, which was the highest-rated stock and option trading app on both the iPhone and Android. So what's next for GoodApril? Well, to tell the next chapter of the GoodApril story, I'd like to bring back on stage someone that has believed in us from the beginning. Well, almost the beginning. I'll let him tell you that story. Please welcome back on the stage the Managing Director of Techstars Boulder, Luke Beatty.
It's my boy right here. So on April 10th, I sent out about 1,000 emails to people, entrepreneurs around the world, informing them that they were not going to be a part of the 2013 Boulder Techstars class. And Benny and Mitch received one of those. And it sort of broke my heart. And then I went to sleep, or tried to go to sleep, and I couldn't sleep. So I woke up at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning and called these guys and said, I just sent you an email telling you you're not in the Techstars, but I can't live with myself if I don't put you in the program, because I love you guys. And so we had 10, and then we got 11. Well, it's a good thing that I did, because as they say in the tax business, last in, first out. And it is my unbelievable pleasure to announce that for the first time in Techstars history, a company has been acquired before the end of the program. The folks at Intuit who make TurboTax purchased GoodApril on Tuesday. So cheers to these guys. Look at that. The NFL gives its Hall of Fame members like a yellow sports coat. We have a T-shirt that only goes out to companies who've been acquired, and this is the 24th Techstars company that's been acquired, so this is it right here.